how to use the Registry Editor on Windows 11. The Windows Registry Editor allows you to configure your system if used properly. In this video, we'll guide you on how to use this feature safely and efficiently on Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is Windows 11 Registry Editor? The Windows Registry is a repository for all your configuration settings. Everything in it is organized into a hierarchy of registry keys and values. Some noteworthy terms are as follows. The registry is organized into hives, each representing a different part of the system. Keys are like folders, and values are the details inside them. DWORD represents a 32-bit unsigned integer. How to open the Registry Editor on Windows 11. There are two easy ways to open regedit in Windows 11. The first method is to use the Run dialog. Press Win, +R, type regedit, and press Enter. The second option is to use Command Prompt or PowerShell. Press Win +X and select either program. Type regedit and press Enter. Navigating the Windows Registry. Now let's go through the main components of the registry's dashboard. The menu bar gives you access to commands like File, Edit, View, and Help. The address bar shows the path to the selected registry key, so you can jump between key locations. The navigation pane organizes registry keys into a tree view. You can expand or collapse branches to move through the registry structure. The key pane shows subkeys contained in the selected registry key, while the value pane displays data associated with that key. How to edit the Windows Registry. Let's go through 3 common edits you can make to the registry. 1. Creating a registry key. Go to your desired location in the registry. Right-click on the parent key, select New and then Key. Name the new key and modify the registry value. 2. Modifying a registry value. Find the key with the value you want to modify. Double-click on the value and enter the new value data before clicking OK. 3. Deleting a registry key or value. Right-click the key or value you want to delete. Then select Delete and confirm the action. Leverage the power of the Windows 11 Registry Editor. Overall, the Registry Editor provides the flexibility and control you need to unlock the full potential of Windows 11. For more information, check out our official blog post on the Windows Registry, linked in the description below.